For starters, let's talk about these headlamp assemblies. They incorporate new Xenon technology, which produces a brighter light with a reduction in overall electrical consumption. This Xenon light is refracted through a 50mm lens, which helps to focus light on the road ahead. Slightly above this lens is the turn signal lens, which is clear, with a colored bulb installed to produce the amber color necessary. Finally, on the inboard side of this assembly is the halogen high beam and parking light. There are two bulbs inside this lens. One is used as a parking light, and the other for increasing the light level when the high beams are activated, as well as functioning for the optical horn, sometimes referred to as the flash-to-pass feature. Also, some models may be equipped with the bi-xenon feature. This simply means that both halogen and xenon light will be used for high beams. Externally, the headlamp assemblies look the same. The only way to tell from the exterior is to function check the headlamps like this. With bi-xenon, you can hear the solenoid moving a shutter inside the lens, as well as see the light pattern change. Standard with all bi-xenon equipped vehicles is the headlamp cleaning feature. This is a high-pressure water spray coupled with nozzles that produce a strong spray of solution to clean the lens. This nozzle is located behind this cover. So I guess we should